Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. In today's video, I'm going to be making some delicious egg fried rice mixed with shrimps and other vegetables. For the ingredients and everything I'm going to be using, I'll be listing everything in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. Share this video to your friends and family and set that notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. Now I'm going to be cooking my rice with some chicken broth. I've washed my rice ahead before because you want all the water in your rice to drop out. And you can also use leftover rice for this recipe. It's good as well. I'm going to be adding some curry. I'll be adding some saffron. Saffron is called zafferano in Italian language. Italians normally use this spice to cook rice. They love it so much. You can give it a try if you like. I'm going to cover it. I will allow it to boil. The chicken broth is boiling. I'm going to be adding the rice. And I also add half scotch bonnet. That is because I like spicy food. But if you know you don't like spicy food, you can just skip the scotch bonnet. I'll cover it, then I will allow the rice to cook. You don't want your rice to overcook, eh? So the rice is done. As you can see, the color of the rice is because of the saffron that I put. That is why the color is like this. So I'm going to be taking the rice away from inside the pot because I don't want my rice to be too soft, because you know the pot is still hot. So to stop the cooking process, you just have to take it away from the pot and put it in your kitchen counter to cool down. I'm going to take another pan. I will add some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. All depends on what you want. I'll add some salt, garlic, seasoning, and I'm going to saute for about 2 minutes. Then I'll add the shrimps. You don't want to overcook your shrimps. You just have to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to flip the other side. Then your shrimps is ready. I will set it aside for later. With the same pan that I used to stir fry the shrimps, I'll be adding a little amount of oil. Then I'll fry my eggs. I add a little amount of salt. The egg is ready. I'm just going to set it aside. In a deep pan, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. I'll add some ginger, seasoning, onions. I'm going to saute for 2 minutes. I'll add half scotch bonnet. I'll be adding the carrots, the green peas. I'm just going to stir together. I will allow it to cook for just 1 minute before I'll add the other vegetables. I will add the yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. I'm going to stir everything together. You don't want to overcook your vegetable. I'm just going to cook it for just about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding all the ingredients together now. I will add the rice. I'm going to make sure that I stir everything together. You want to do this with a very high heat. So now I'm going to be adding the eggs. I will add the shrimps. So now I'm going to make sure I stir fry everything together with a very high heat. And I'm going to do that for about 5 to 7 minutes because you want all the ingredients to mix together very well. You want to feel the taste of each ingredient in this rice. That is why you have to stir fry everything together. I've tested the rice, the salt and everything is just okay. I'm going to be adding some spring onions to add more color to the rice. So guys, it's done. This rice was really delicious. You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. So guys, if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. And remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye.